If you have cats, you've probably had to deal with hairballs. Dr. Amy Guernsey with University Veterinary Care Centers joining us by Skype, and we're getting a little hairball help in today's pet advice. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for joining us today. Now, I have cats, and I've stepped in my fair share of hairballs. They're pretty gross. So what exactly are they?
Yeah, unpleasant. So basically what happens is, your cat has a very rough tongue, and that's by design. It's to help them groom. It's to help them when they're eating prey. But when they're grooming, they actually end up picking up all of the loose hair out of their coat, and they can ingest some of that. Now, ordinarily, most of that passes through, but it can accumulate in their upper GI system, and then they throw it back up.
Can it be dangerous for cats?
It's rare, but in large quantities, you can get an obstruction of hair, so that's worrisome. If your cat is ever trying to vomit over and over and over and can't produce anything, that's probably a red flag. If they seem to be vomiting much more frequently than you would expect, say daily, those are signs you probably want to get them checked out. Or if you're noticing weight loss or lethargy, that could be a sign that something else is going on.
And which cats are more likely to have hairballs than others?
The long-hair cats seem to have the most difficulty with it. If you think about, they've got more of a coat to deal with, and the longer fibers can cause more of a problem. Cats that are a little bit more OCD about their grooming habits are going to be doing it more often, so they can accumulate more fiber that way as well.
Okay, tell us how we can help prevent them, because they're never fun to step in, and of course you don't want your cat to suffer.
Right. Unfortunately, preventing is almost impossible, short of shaving your cat or getting a hairless cat. But there's things that we can do to help them. There's certainly hairball diets out there that help with the grooming and keeping things down a little bit better. There are hairball products that you can either smear on their little paws, so when they clean it off, it helps keep things moving in the right direction. If you brush them every day, it helps remove some of that loose hair so that they're not doing it themselves. Just little tricks to reduce how often you step in those piles.
All right, Dr. Guernsey, well, thank you for sharing that with us today. Good advice for cat owners. And if you'd like more information about University Veterinary Care Center, just head over to universityvetcare.com.